It's no secret that our kidneys play a vital role in maintaining our overall well-being. These incredible organs act as the gatekeepers of waste removal, fluid balance, and the filtration of minerals and toxins from our blood. In today's video, we will talk about the simple yet effective ways to naturally cleanse your kidneys. Stay tuned until the very end as we uncover one often overlooked approach that can truly make a difference. So without further ado, let's dive in. Number 1. Watermelon. Watermelon is not just a delicious fruit, it's also packed with hydration, making it an excellent choice for keeping your kidneys healthy. The high water content in watermelon acts as a natural diuretic, encouraging your body to produce more urine. This increased urination helps flush out toxins and waste products from your kidneys, keeping them clean and functioning optimally. Furthermore, watermelon contains a powerful antioxidant called lycopene. This superhero compound helps reduce inflammation in your kidneys, protecting them from damage and ensuring they stay healthy. Alongside its hydrating properties and antioxidant content, watermelon is rich in potassium salts. These salts play a crucial role in regulating the acidity of your urine, preventing the formation of kidney stones. By enjoying watermelon regularly, you're not only treating your taste buds, but also providing your kidneys with essential nutrients to keep them in top shape. Number 2. Cranberry Juice. Cranberry juice is more than just a tasty drink. It's also packed with health benefits, especially when it comes to kidney health. One of the key reasons for its popularity is its ability to cleanse the kidneys. Cranberries contain special compounds called proanthocyanidins, which are like natural bodyguards. These compounds work by preventing harmful bacteria from sticking to the walls of the urinary tract. By doing so, they help reduce the risk of urinary tract infections, UTIs, which, if left untreated, can spread to the kidneys and cause inflammation. In addition to its bacteria-fighting abilities, cranberry juice is rich in antioxidants. These powerful substances help protect kidney cells from damage caused by harmful molecules called free radicals. By reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, antioxidants play a crucial role in maintaining kidney health and function. Number 3. Basil. Another great way to cleanse your kidneys is by incorporating basil into your diet. Basil, known for its aromatic leaves and culinary uses, offers numerous benefits for kidney health. It acts as a natural diuretic, increasing urine production to flush out toxins and prevent kidney stone formation. Basil's essential oils and acetic acid help dissolve kidney stones, easing discomfort and promoting their removal from the body. Additionally, basil lowers uric acid levels in the blood, reducing the risk of conditions like gout and kidney stones. Its analgesic properties provide relief from kidney stone pain, enhancing overall kidney comfort. Adding fresh basil leaves to salads, sandwiches, or pasta dishes is an easy way to enjoy its benefits. Alternatively, you can brew basil tea by steeping fresh or dried basil leaves in hot water for a soothing and kidney-supportive beverage. Before we proceed to the next surprising way, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Number 4. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, is a popular natural remedy that offers numerous benefits for kidney health. One of its key advantages is its ability to combat oxidative stress in the kidneys. Oxidative stress occurs when harmful molecules called free radicals outnumber the body's antioxidant defenses, leading to cellular damage. By increasing the levels of antioxidants in the body, ACV helps neutralize these free radicals, protecting kidney cells from oxidative damage and supporting overall kidney health. Furthermore, ACV is known to have a positive impact on blood sugar levels and blood pressure, two factors closely linked to kidney health. By promoting better blood sugar control and reducing blood pressure, ACV creates an environment conducive to optimal kidney function. This is particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes or hypertension, as these conditions can increase the risk of kidney damage. Number 5. Lemon water. Lemon water is a refreshing and beneficial drink that can support kidney health and natural cleansing. Lemons are rich in citric acid, a substance known for its antioxidant and diuretic properties. These properties can aid in the prevention of kidney stones and promote the flushing out of toxins from the body. Citric acid helps inhibit the crystallization of calcium oxalate, one of the common substances that form kidney stones. By reducing the formation of kidney stones, lemon water may help prevent urinary tract obstruction and the associated pain and complications. It also increases urine production, which helps flush out waste and harmful substances from the kidneys. To incorporate lemon water into your daily routine, simply squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a glass of warm or room temperature water. By starting your day with a glass of lemon water, you can kickstart hydration and support kidney health. You may also add a slice of lemon for extra flavor. Number 6. Herbal teas. Another great way to naturally cleanse your kidneys is by drinking herbal teas. These ancient remedies have been used for thousands of years for various health reasons, like losing weight and removing toxins from the body. And yes, they can also help clean your kidneys to keep them working well. Herbal teas are full of good things called antioxidants. They help reduce swelling and have lots of benefits for cleaning. Studies even show they might help prevent kidney stones. Try teas like nettle leaf, turmeric, and dandelion. They're gentle and healthy ways to take care of your kidneys and help them stay clean. Number 7. Vitamins and supplements. To cleanse your kidneys effectively, it's important to take appropriate vitamins and supplements. Just like how our lungs need oxygen, our kidneys require the right nutrients to function well. One example is vitamin B6, which has been found to reduce the risk of kidney stones by decreasing calcium oxalate levels. Another beneficial option is angiographic, an herb that shows promise in reducing the harmful effects of alcohol in the kidneys. Other vitamins and supplements that may support kidney health include alpha-lipoic acid, moringa, acetylcysteine, resveratrol, probiotics, and vitamin D. However, it's always wise to consult with your doctor before adding any new supplements to your routine, as they can provide personalized advice based on your specific health condition. Number 8. Stay hydrated. Staying adequately hydrated is essential for optimal kidney function and overall health. Water plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of bodily fluids and supporting the kidney's vital functions. It helps transport essential nutrients to the kidneys, enabling them to filter blood efficiently and eliminate waste products effectively. When you drink an adequate amount of water, it ensures that your kidneys can flush out toxins and maintain the appropriate concentration of electrolytes in the body. Drinking enough water throughout the day is especially important for kidney health. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily, but individual requirements may vary depending on factors like activity level, climate, and overall health. It's helpful to carry a water bottle with you to encourage regular hydration, and you can also incorporate water-rich foods into your diet. Remember, dehydration can hinder the kidney's ability to function optimally and lead to the accumulation of waste material. It can contribute to the formation of kidney stones, urinary tract infections, and even more severe kidney problems. Therefore, prioritize hydration as an essential aspect of kidney cleansing and overall well-being. Number 9. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise is a natural way to support kidney health and promote natural cleansing. When you exercise, your body's circulatory and lymphatic systems are stimulated, helping to improve blood flow and remove waste products from the body. One study found that regular exercise can help improve kidney function and reduce the risk of kidney disease. Exercise can also help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of other conditions that can damage the kidneys, such as diabetes and heart disease. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. This can include activities such as brisk walking, cycling, swimming, or dancing. If you are new to exercise or have any underlying health conditions, it's best to consult with your healthcare provider before starting a new exercise routine. Strength training exercises such as weightlifting can also be beneficial for kidney health, as they can help build muscle mass and improve metabolic function. Thank you for watching, and make sure to watch more amazing videos from our channel.